Want to learn how to change DNS settings on Windows 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, you want to open up Settings. Now, you want to click on Network and Internet option. From here, select Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on your connection. Now click on Hardware Properties. From here, select DNS Server Assignment and click Edit. Then switch to Manual. Now, you want to turn on IPv4. Enter your primary DNS on the first box. I'm going to enter 8.8.8.8 and then enter the alternative or secondary DNS. Here I'm going to enter 8.8.4.4. You can also use any public DNS you prefer instead of this. Now click Save. Then check your internet connection speed and stability. Changing your DNS can help improve internet speed, access blocked website, and enhance online security. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.